about to give them what they want.
Go Beastmode, dude.
I don't think they're ready for this, though.
And you know what time it is.
Beast mode, yeah. Beast mode, beast mode, beast mode, beast mode, beast mode, beast mode.
What's good, YouTube? You know who it is. Chris Jones, representing Pump Chasers. So check it out, fam. Doing a vlog today. I'm not even sure I'm gonna post this video. You know, I just woke up and I was like, let me try to go through the motions. So some of y'all already know this if you follow my stories. You know, if you saw my vlog about a month or so ago, my father's been sick a while. You know, he's been sick a few years. Kidney failure, he's been on dialysis, and he just died Wednesday. We got a kidney transplant in January. Long story short, body started to shut down after the fucking transplant. You know, I had to watch him shrivel down right before my eyes, fam. It's one of the oh, God. You know, it's one of the hardest things I have to go through. I want y'all to keep this in mind, I've been vlogging since, 2012? I'm writing books. I'm somebody who doesn't mind sharing what I go through, So please keep that in mind. My vlog is not to encourage other people to share or nothing like that. It's just sharing what I got going on because I know I'm not the only person out here hurting. I'm not the only person that has lost somebody they love and they still gotta get through the day. They still gotta put their crown on and be a father, go to work, whatever they gotta do. It's kind of like going up a hill with weight on your back. Some people got more weight on their back than others. I just want to kind of share my day because this is life. We're gonna have ups and downs. Every year is not gonna be the same and we gotta keep moving, fam. In the new age we're living in, I'm hearing a lot of talk about food noise. We've dealt with, in the bodybuilding world, we already know about cravings. We already know what it's like to be on a diet. You got voices in your head telling you to cheat on your diet, but you gotta tell those voices no. The game is nothing new. The sound mind comes with different noise. They got these GLP-1s to help calm the noise, quiet the noise. There's other noises we struggle with. There's other noises we're gonna struggle with. And we can't always run to some kind of drug or to the alcohol. We're gonna have to dig deep within. So again, I'm not telling people to share their personal life or nothing like that or their grieving process. I'm just letting you know is I'm somebody who doesn't mind sharing. So let me go ahead and give me a protein shake and get to the gym, fam. You know what really helps me? What really helps me get through this? I literally watched my daddy go through this. He didn't do a lot of crying. He was pretty tough. He didn't do a lot of crying. But I remember when he had to bury his mother, I grew up with both parents. I had a front row seat of him going through that grieving process, getting through it, moving forward. And that gives me strength today. He gave me an example. Let's get it, fam. All right, homies and homies, so check it out. Got some frozen fruit right here. You already know the GF way on deck now. When this is back in stock, when we pick things up and start restocking, I suggest you get 30, okay? Frozen fruit. Gonna do some frozen fruit. Got the whey here. Go get the creatine in, okay? And much love and thank you to everybody that's been supporting Palm Chasers subs at TigerFitness.com. Thank you, okay? Thank you. It's a lifestyle, okay? Lifestyle. All right. Go ahead and get a little bit of oats in here, okay? So I'm not really, to be honest with you, not really that hungry right now, but I need to get some food in me, get some nutrients in me, okay? That shit will sneak up on you. Next thing you know, you in the mirror, you lost by 20 pounds. Sometimes that appetite changes when you're going through things. So, try to be conscious of that. Try to be aware of that. Got a little oatmeal in here in the blender, get a little calories in. And just one scoop away, and then I'm doing some egg whites for a little more protein, okay? So, baby, we gotta get it. All right, man. Still tastes good. Let me see. Shit still tastes good. I'm telling you, when the shit's back in stock, get 30. I'm gonna do some wide stance. Keep in mind, I like mixing up foot position. I'm gonna do some wide stance. Do some lunges later, okay? Come here real quick. If y'all notice, I'm pausing on the bottom. Really gonna help activate those hips. Tight hips are overlooked, especially as we get older. Keep in mind, I am 41, okay? Now, one more thing. You don't have to do every set like this, but try to get some sets like this. Maybe on your warm-ups, and then when you go heavier, then you can just go up and down, but try to get some pause reps in. All right, homies and homies, go and show me that weight right there. Gotta show the big girls. Gotta show the big girls a little 11. We're gonna do one set with this weight right here. I'm not doing all that pause rep shit. My hips feel warm and ready to go. We're just going straight up and down with control, okay? All right, homies and homies, just got home. All right, got another protein shake, just protein only, okay? And I'm gonna do some pineapples. This is my post-workout snack. I'm gonna chill for about 30 minutes or so and get me a meal in. Let me show you something. Yeah. Already got a meal ready to go. Okay? So put that on right there, okay? Maybe throw a little potatoes with it. I'm not really that hungry right now, but I know I gotta eat. Not really that hungry, but I know I gotta eat, okay? So I'm gonna have this shake, have these pineapples. Let's get it. All right, fam, check it out. Just cut me some potato up. Got a white potato cut up. Rubbing on some, rubbing the oil in, okay? Sprinkle some salt. And rub it in some more, okay? Then we're gonna put it in the air fryer. I'm gonna get in the shower. Yeah, I'm about to hop in the shower while this is cooking and then eat. All right, homies and homies, showered, changed, okay? Got my Just Grind tee on. Check it out. Got one of these already made meals, chicken, steak, and rice. Just gotta heat it up, all right? Check it out. I got chicken, steak, and rice, okay? And I got white potatoes, real simple meal for a little flavor. We got that G-Huge sugar. Let me focus that for you. You gotta see this now. That sugar-free barbecue sauce. This is sweet and spicy. I like it, okay? Shout out to G-Huge. All right. Don't get that flavor up on there. Yes. All right. And let me show you the drink. Decide to give this True Lemon Strawberry Lemonade a try, okay? Only 3 grams of carbs, pure packet. There you go. That's for the ones that happen to give a fuck. You know, some people don't give a damn. But if you happen to give a fuck, there you go. That's for you, all right? One more time. For the ones that happen to give a fuck, all right? I'm gonna go ahead and enjoy this meal. And after I eat this meal, run a few errands and get to Dallas. You know, I want to go see my mother. Got off the phone with her. We're thinking about doing a little dinner later. Go spend a little time with Mama Jones. You know, maybe my brothers are free if they're free. Maybe we can all go to dinner or something. Denise, Brooke, my brother's mother. Just have a little family dinner or something. We gotta keep it together, baby. We gotta keep it together. All right, homies and homies. Here we are, King's Buffet. Ooh. Here you go, Brookie. Wake up, baby. Time for dinner. Here you go. Y'all were in traffic for a while? Yeah. There you go. Fam, round two. Go ahead, lead the way, baby. You lead the way. Go and give me a little bit of that. Let me try some of that. Give me a scoop. I ain't did crawfish in a minute. Go ahead and get some of that. That's all. Okay, one more. Why not? All right. All right. Yeah. Get them ribs. You want them? You want a crab? So Brooke got the crawfish and the crab. Come on. I know, right?
Straight up chocolate.
Straight sugar. Show them what you got, Brookie.
I got
Grandma talking crap, but she got ice cream too.
but they ain't got a dunk of chocolate. They already been dunked, and you got extra dunk.
She not eating all that. You not eating all that.
Kids gonna be kids. It's my third plate, fam. Just enjoying a little family time.
Y'all see this right here, guys? Check this out. That's me on the bottom right, fam. Mama showing us some old pictures. Here, Mama. All right. We got the ride out.
That's what I hear about this chick. Slamming all up in.
Come on, mother. Oh, she got a clam in this thing?
Yeah.
Yeah,
I guess you gonna get that. Don't wait a minute.
I got it.
For the record, guys, this is my dad's Jeep. You know, he's no longer here with us. My brother driving the Jeep now. Hey, Mom, I love you. I'll be by the house real soon. Look at the stuff. All right, fam. So I'm home. Just finished on my online clients. You already know, shout outs to my online clients. So I'm just kind of reflecting in my office, fam. So this is the flyer. So this right here is the picture, you know, letting people know about the funeral. O.B. Jones Jr., my father, man, the man who took me to the gym, the man who taught me, the man who put the weights in my hand, the man who raised me. It's really hard for me to look at this picture, fam, but this is a unfortunate part of life, you know? Rest in peace to my daddy. I love you so much, daddy. Got Brooke getting ready for bed. We're gonna say goodnight and catch you at the next vlog, okay? Brookie!
Daddy.
You wanna say goodnight?
Good night.
Alright, guys. Alright. Don't forget to like my shit, comment, subscribe, holler back at your boy. We need a moment of silence before we fuck up these weights.